Hello everyone, another day, another stuff to do regarding our project. So let's switch again to our screen. Let's start the Pomodoro session. So we stopped on creating kind of flow, kind of process for our solution. So yeah, at the beginning we decided that when the time is up, then the event is thrown, and then we are taking tags from resources. Based on those tags which are taken, we are choosing the tags which are applicable at that moment, and based on that we are pushing the VMs from these tags which should be turned on or turned off. And here we have another component, because we have two components, tag management and VM switcher, and that VM switcher component will be responsible for switching, for turning on and turning on the of the VM. So let's continue. Okay, let's put that in that way. Okay. Turn on off VM, turn on, turn off VM, and just thinking if something should be added there. Now we can add additional card explaining that if the VM cannot be turned on off, the notification should be sent. So we will take another card here. VM cannot be turned on off, and we will take that card, notify I don't know who, or about problems with VM. And then I will put that card as so here, quite natural, you can see that we have another part of our system, kind of notification system. So when the error will appear, then we would like to be notified. So here we can put that we would like to get the notification, the instant notification that something is not working. Okay, so yeah, maybe let's add some component. Yeah, so here we have our high-level components, and based on that we can see that we will have another component, issues notification part. Okay, here we have 24, size 24. Inform if VMs can't be cannot be turned on off. Okay, so you can see that during our design phase, we noticed that we have another component, yeah, and now the question, maybe not now, but for the future, we will have the question, what does it exactly mean? Because I see that we can have two approaches here. If we would like to treat the event that VM cannot be turned off as an error, and it should be a part of the monitoring of the application. So it means that it should be part of our monitoring again. So it should be treated as any error event, or it's just kind of business event for us. What does it exactly mean? It's okay that some VM cannot be turned on or turned off, or it's an error for us. It's error on the infrastructure, I would say, level. But yeah, let's try to design that. So I will copy that. And so without part here, issues notification. Okay. So at the beginning we will have the event VM cannot be turned on off. For now, you can see that I'm treating this event as a single event. So maybe it could be even phrased like VM cannot be switched or something like that. Means change of maybe the state of the VM cannot be changed. Maybe it would be even better name for that. But for now, let's keep that as it is, because yeah, it's good to think we have two states: VM turned on and VM turned off. If it's really good to connect those two states into single one, or they should represent two different states. For now, I see that maybe it should be two different states, as the VM cannot be turned on or turned off. So separated events in the system, but for now I will keep that as it is, and maybe in some other day we will analyze those events. Okay, so here we have event VM cannot be turned on, turned off. So I will take that command, send the send notification. And here we can put the comment. Maybe I will put that card. Because it's kind of question. Here we have the event. Cannot be turned on, turned off. We are sending the notification. Where should we send the notification? Email, Slack, Discord. Another question. Should we keep the state or the information that VM wasn't able to be turned on off? So one component is that tag management, another is VM switcher, and another is issues notification. And we have two events. Notification sent, and notification cannot be sent due to some reason. I don't know, troubles in connections with the external systems like Slack, Discord, or sending via email. So it can be different stuff. So here for sure raise alert in monitoring system. So here for sure we should raise an alert that okay, the notification cannot be sent due to some stuff. So here for sure also we need to track that monitoring notifications must be redundant. Yeah, because for example, if I would like to send a notification to Slack and also on Slack, but on another channel, I would have the notifications from monitoring, solution monitoring, and for some reason Slack will be down, then alerts should land somewhere else, for example on email. So this is the reason why it should be redundant. Due to unavailability of one system, then we can have the another place where we will be notified that something is not working. Okay, let's look on the time. Okay, we have 5 minutes still. Okay, so task management. Time is up. So let's go backward. Okay, so for example, notification sent. I got the notification. Notification on on some Slack channel or email. Maybe I can add some comment here. Maybe it should be yellow because it's not a problem. So here in that, let's say, rose, I would say, color, we signalized problems within our system, possible problems where we have. In that yellow one, we can see that there are some more general comments to not forget about something. In that orange one, we have events, business events in the system. And on the blue one, we have comments. So let's say direct actions, which should be done within our system. So yeah, let's see. Okay, tag management, VM switcher. Send notification. VM cannot be turned off. Turn on. I'm thinking if it's really issues notification, maybe it should be more general. Maybe it's the notification part. I'm thinking what we would like to more communicate via this service, via this component. Only if something is not working, because I see that maybe in the future we can add here event VM turn it on, off. So manually, maybe we would like to be notified in the future if someone manually will turn on or turn off the VM. But maybe let's skip that possible feature for the future development. So maybe let's rephrase that to notification to make that more generalized. Notifications. The VM switcher. Maybe let's rephrase that to switcher, just switcher. Just a second. Just switch, not switcher. Let's, okay, we have 1 minute. Okay, switch. Okay, synonyms, swap, shift, transformation, alternation, about face. Just thinking if maybe we can name that somehow else, but okay, switch is okay. Maybe switcher will be better. Okay, here we'll generalize that switcher. Tag manager. Okay, tag manager. Switcher. Okay. Okay, so for now we are almost done. Yeah, we just finished. So let's make the screenshots again. Save. And the process design. I need to check how to properly export those components to make them readable, because you can see that. Maybe I will try again, because I restarted Miro yesterday after those problems which we had. So copy as image. Okay. Can I put it somehow? No, I can't. Okay. Mirror export to PNG. Okay. Okay, so maybe create frame, and yeah, and that frame can be exported as a whole. Okay, so on my desktop, how I name that process design. Okay, and also this, I will create a frame from that, and I will export that as it should be. Create frame, and here for now export as image. Okay, small. Okay, so here copy, paste, yes. Okay, so yeah, I need to update PG, move to trash, open preview. Oh yeah, we have nice drawings already. Okay, so its status add git commit next components, the process design, git push, and that's it for today. So I hope that you enjoyed the design process, design workflow. You can see how I'm thinking, how I'm trying to change myself in that area. So yeah, tomorrow we will just continue that. So have a nice day and see you again tomorrow. Bye.